You can see there are three types of stamping machine. This one cannot control the temperature. It's hard to control it, so it's not so suitable for letter. It may destroy your letter, but it's suitable for cake and wood. And this one can control the temperature. You see, this is the digital panel. You can control the temperature as you want. And it's suitable for cake, letter, and wood. And this one is suitable for many kinds of material. Actually, if you have no experience in bronzing, I recommend you use this machine, but not these two types of machine. It's hard to use your power equally, so it's hard to get the beautiful design. Today I will show you how to operate this new type of digital stamping machine. We have two types of it. This one, the voltage of this one is 110 and the voltage of this one is 220. This is the foil and this is the letter. This machine can be used for wood, letter, cake. I will show you how to adjust temperature. First, you need to press this button and press the second button, choose the number you want to change, and press this one or press this button. After you set it, you can press this button again, and the temperature will be set. Now I will show you how to use this machine with foil paper. You need to adjust the temperature to 100 degrees. You need to preheat the machine for about 2 minutes. You need to make sure you use your power equally or you cannot get the beautiful design. Be patient. This is the effect. Okay, this is the letter. Make sure you use your power equally. See, if you cannot use your power equally, you will get a bad design like this. And this is the beautiful design. Now we are going to use this machine for wood and cake. Let's try it now. It will be easier than use it for letter or paper. Just press it. This is the wood. Remember to adjust your temperature to about 300 degrees if you want to use it for wood. Also, you need to make sure you use your power equally.